Hey, it's Rick, Lamps Pest Solutions. I'm about ready to show you one of the most important things that you can do to help get rid of German cockroaches in your house, specifically in your kitchen. Check this out. Yep, that's it. Cleaning up the counter, putting all the dishes away, but that's not really the most important thing. Well, it's this right here. After I was finished, I want you to think about this. If you were just going to bed, clean up the kitchen, there's water still here. German roaches need the moisture. They need that water. So if you eliminate that moisture by doing a dry sweep every night before you go to bed, kitchen sinks, bathroom sinks, even the shower, if it's an issue in the shower, and then every morning when you leave for work or school or whatever you do, that will help reduce that population of German cockroaches. Won't eliminate them, maybe not, it possibly could, but it will definitely slow them down a little bit because you're taking away one of the very important things they can do, because German roaches can eat everything you do. So there was a little piece of cheese there. They could eat that. We think, well, it's not that big of a deal, but trust me, that's like a big gourmet meal for them. Just cleaning things up isn't quite enough. Drying them is of paramount importance when it comes to German roaches. So anyways, give me a like if this helped you at all.